We're back on the boat. We didn't leave, but we're back to sailing. We got about a 15-hour motor sail ahead of us today.
Oh my god! That is amazing. That is just proper fish and chips for you. It's gonna be an epic sail today!
It's gonna be a good one.
I don't know.
This is Slim.
3 knots on the face, skipper!
I'm Soph, the skipper. Oh, and we have a fluffy crew member too, Chili. We live aboard our 1989 Duncanson 34. She may be vintage, but her glory days are far from over. We're taking her around Australia, exploring our beautiful Aussie backyard. We put new videos out every Monday, so subscribe. Come along with us.
Welcome back. You guessed it, we're on a boat again.
We've been covering more ground than usual. Only a couple of days ago, we left Great Keppel Island, making our way to Pearl Bay. Having high hopes that we would get reception, we planned on bunkering down over the weekend before making our next leg to Percy Island. To our disappointment, there wasn't. We're going to push onto the Percys tomorrow. Another early morning, another long day. This area of the coastline is so spectacularly beautiful and, to our surprise, very remote. Weaving through the islands on our way to Middle Percy Island, we felt extremely relaxed as we plodded along in the light breeze, scrubbing up, making cakes and watching whales. Oh my god! Thinking again would have reception at the Percys, we didn't.
Apparently there's no signal here, which we were fully relying on.
And with another assignment looming, we felt the pressure to keep Nakama moving. Not before finally walking through this pirate's treasure trove that sits invitingly on the beach. To keep us sustained, we picked up some local Percy honey and of course left the memory of Nakama passing through. Now, somewhere here, on course for Brampton Island, 77.7 nautical miles, we are on a great adventure to find internet.
Well, hello again. Good morning, welcome. We're back on the boat. We didn't leave, but we're back to sailing. Well, motor sailing the boat. There's no wind again today. We did run over a whale this morning at about 3 AM though, and that was really hectic. I don't think we hit it, otherwise we would have been sinking, but it was on either side. I actually can't even. It was water bubbling. I thought we hit rocks or something. I was looking at the chart and I'm like, no, there's no rocks here. Why is there waves? And there's like water crashing everywhere, and oh, it was so hectic. Anyway, we were really tired. We woke up at about 3 AM. So the whale hit was about 4 AM then. And then we left Percy Islands. We got about a 15-hour motor sail ahead of us today. We're doing alright at the moment, sitting on like 6 knots. We're just sailing through islands at the moment. He could not be in the tuna mac.
He looks like a tuna mac.
He doesn't have the spots.
What do you want to do with him?
I'm going to throw him back.
You're going to throw him back?
Yeah, do you want him? He looks like a tuna mac to me.
I think he's a tuna mac. He's quite big. Yeah, throw him back.
Finally got a fish, but it's the wrong one, so he's going back in the drink.
You swim?
Yeah, he's going boom.
Alright, we have been motor sailing close to 15 hours now. We're almost about to round this corner and head into the anchorage. I think we're about 3.5 miles off now. We've had the lures out all day. Haven't had a single thing, and I guess obviously it's become close to an island. So yeah, we caught that tuna. Well, we thought it was a tuna mac, but I think now we think it's a mackerel frigate or something like that. Still no good for eating, so I'm glad we threw that one back. And then Simon was like, I want another one, I want a mackerel. And then we're joking about manifesting a mackerel. Oh, what is it? And then our manifestation worked and we got a mackerel. Oh, oh my god. He's wanted one for so long, so he's stoked, and I'm stoked. We're gonna be eating some good fish for dinner tonight.
It's a nice little mackie, eh?
Alright. I've wanted one for so long.
I have. We did it.
So beautiful.
It looks like a happy Soph.
I am. I'm stoked. Feeling a bit sleepy.
Week of study.
Yeah, fully.
No, be energized about it. It's gonna be
energized. It's gonna be so good. No, actually, I'm keen because I'm so far behind in everything. It'll be fine. We're fine. It's all good. It's all good.
Fish and chips. I've been telling Soph I'm going to catch a mackerel for so long. And I did. That looks so good.
Look at that. That is amazing. That is just proper fish and chips for you. Mmm.
You can hear the crunchy panko cranking.
Mmm. So good. So good.
We finally made panko crumbed fish with lemon. Every time we've been doing provisions when we go on these trips, we'll catch a fish, we buy panko crumbs, and we buy lemons. The lemons I end up making like guacamole or something like that, and we end up panko crumbing some tofu or something. So it is so good to have panko crumbed. I reckon this is the best fish, because I never used to be a fan of seafood. The best fish I've ever eaten. I'm fully calling it.
It's a big call.
Huge call. Not really, I've only ever eaten like 4 or 5 different fishes, but like, out of those 4 or 5 fishes, this is the best one I've ever had.
He's just eating it with no pants on.
It's my ass. I'll eat my fish. Whatever. Who else eats fucking pants at dinner?
Who eats pants with dinner?
I don't know.
Who else eats pants with dinner?
It's been a hugely long day.
Okay,
I'm sure a lot of people understand what it's like to take your pants off when you finish a long day.
The week proceeded to be extremely wet, which is actually excellent for us as it narrows the array of distractions, so we could study and study and study. Until it rained a little bit less and we decided to relocate our mobile office.
Do you want to see this foot? This foot's worst.
We decided to head for Shore Island, only about a 5-hour sail away. And with winds being well over the 20s, on a perfect angle behind us, we figure we can shave that time down.
Good morning, Whit Sundays. Bit of wind on. It's been blowy in the windy Whit Sundays so far.
Yeah.
We're not actually there yet. We're going to get there officially today. Going to put this bad boy up. Head sail out.
Alright, let's do it.
Try that.
Woo! This is gonna be an epic sail today! I wish I could be whistle.
Do it again. It's going to be a good one. It's going to be, come along, it'll be great. It'll be sick. The sun's not out, but the wind is blowing and it's like really nice. really nice.
You're not pressing the play button.
Soph's doing a bit of research. Trying to research how to use TikTok.
I don't know how to use. Well, we thought that we'd make a TikTok for one of our friends, and I was like, I have no idea how to make a TikTok.
You can edit videos, but you can't do a TikTok.
How do kids make TikToks? I don't understand. Click the plus button.
Maybe I've got COVID or something.
After throwing a jibe to work our way around some islands and rocks, our course is now very downwind, so we've decided to goose wing. Lazy, but we have maybe 5 or so miles to go, so we haven't bothered to get the pole out.
Maybe we can find a place on Mars with a net to keep our dog held in the yard. Never think again about our job.
They don't even know they're racing us. What they do know, they probably know they're losing though, even if they weren't racing.
Man, this is a great angle. Great angle.
Till the planets all start spinning in reverse. Only comfort in the shattered universe.
Pretty safe to say today has been a good day. We're happy with that. We've been stuck on the boat studying for what feels like months, but it's just been a couple days. But it's good to be back out on the water again. Yes.
And what was a pleasant downwind sail, we were gently, well, firmly reminded how windy the wind was when we turned the corner and headed up into the anchorage.
Till the planets all start spinning in reverse. Only comfort in a shattered universe is to be with you when the sun destroys the
Well, that was fun. Gotta go get back to my assignment now and finish that off. Yeah. So we have some exciting news. Well, I guess it's just news.
Soph's nervous. Alright, don't freak out about this as much as Sophie is.
Sorry.
Alright,
Well, because then I can't edit that in.
Maybe, do you want to sit there and just go, ha ha, no, I'll say it. Or you can go, no, try.
I just practiced my one-liner.
Yeah.
So we've got some pretty exciting news. Well, it's just news. Some of you have said...
We just got a text message.
Some of you had suggested to us along the way...
Patreon.
I can't read.
Soph's really nervous, but you don't have to be. The videos are still going to be free. It's not anything like that. It's just something that had been suggested to us, so we thought we'd give it a whirl.
Wait, did we say what it is?
Patreon. Yes, I just said
let's
Patreon.
start from the start.
Oh, that was good.
Take 2. After a year of making these videos, now a little bit over a year, and putting hours and hours and hours into filming and post-production, editing, which actually takes some time to do, we've decided to create a Patreon account. If you don't know what a Patreon account is, or what Patreon is, it's a platform where you can support some of your favourite creators to keep on creating.
Monetizing the videos was never our intention. We started making videos as like a way to share our adventures with our friends and family without having to put them through the pain that is like family movie sessions. And sorry for all the mums and dads out there that think their kids enjoy their photos. And so I'm really sorry, mum. And it's great. I do love hearing about your trips, but photos can be tough sometimes. And so we wanted to put them in a place where people didn't have to tune in if they didn't want to, or they could watch them at their own leisure without me going, look at this, guys, how good is this? No one wants to see your iPhone photos. And so we started making these videos and we got kind of hooked. We really enjoyed it and we want to explore more and more. And the more and more we've been pushing ourselves to kind of level them up as we go naturally, the more and more time it's taking. So yeah, that's why we did the Patreon. This has never been about the money for us, but like it's gotten to the point where if we want to continue to sustainably make these videos and even level up our video making expertise, if you can call it that, and maybe even some gear here and there, because we're students, like we're on a shoestring. If when cameras break and stuff, I start like looking at what other organs I still have, essentially, to hock off. Yeah, Chili's got like a couple good kidneys, but I don't know how you could. I don't know if they're going to cut the mustard really, and I'd miss her.
Can you survive without your kidneys?
One, yeah, definitely, for sure. How do you think we got that last drone? Oh, I don't know if we're rambling. We always do this. It's so embarrassing. We're not us. Anyway, at the end of the day, so photoshopped heaps of really cool, funny, I think they're really funny photos on the Patreon account, which by the time we filmed this will be down there somewhere and you should check it out. Other thing, videos are still... No, I'm not waiting. I'm on a roll. Videos are still free. And so is subscribing, so do that as well. I'm probably going to have to retake this because Soph doesn't like it.
Again!
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, I'll put it on the camera
Wait,
face.
the light just went crap. Hold it. Hold my fluffy word.
The light's so bad. I reckon it needs the same.
There we go, it'll come back. The light's just changing if you're wondering what's happening here.
Oh, we're so recording.
We're good. Yeah, ready?
Alright, yeah.
Ready? Hey guys, how you going? Didn't work, you gotta have it on the board. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
It's Julie! And then, good job. Is it filming? It's back to front. It's like a hairdresser. Go again. One more.